Welcome to this artistic exploration of how AI can pay homage to iconic sculptors throughout history. In this video, we'll examine a few renowned sculptors and then witness AI generate visual interpretations of their unique styles. First is Alberto Giacometti, known for his elongated human forms that convey isolation and existential themes. We'll see how AI imagines one of his signature bronze figures standing on a slim pedestal. Next is Michelangelo, the Renaissance master behind towering marble, biblically themed sculptures like David. AI tries to capture his style with a powerfully muscled male nude. We'll also explore hyperrealist Ron Mueck's uncannily lifelike waxworks, recreated here with a wrinkled elderly face. Then there's Anish Kapoor's mirrored abstract chrome pieces, interpreted as a curved form reflecting its surroundings. The rough textured animal sculptures of Rembrandt Bugatti are also featured, with AI generating a pensive baboon as Bugatti often depicted. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll continue through Constantine Brancusi's minimalist smoothed forms, Pablo Picasso's fractured cubist perspectives, Patricia Piccinini's human-animal hybrids, and more. Studying these AI homages provides intriguing insights into the artist's visual styles and techniques. As a tool for artists and art appreciators alike, AI can help visualize different sculpting forms, subjects, textures, and compositions. This provides a limitless source of inspiration, allowing us to prototype imaginative 3D artworks before bringing them into the physical realm. Let's keep exploring the intersection of creativity and technology and see what new frontiers can be unlocked when past artistic ingenuity meets future digital potential. The results are sure to sculpt exciting possibilities for art yet to come.